prayer. Inhale, stretch your arms up, arch back. Exhale, bend forward and place the palms on either side of your feet. Inhale, look up. Take your right leg back, right knee on the floor, right toe pointing. Hold your breath, left leg back, plank. Exhale, knees down, chest between the palms, chin on the floor. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, raise your hips high. Inhale, right leg between the palms, left knee on the floor, look up. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, stretch your arms forward and arch back. Exhale, release.